1. The percentage of water in the human cell is about 2. The most abundant inorganic compound in a living cell is 3. The most abundant element in the human body is 4. Which element is known as the element of life? 5. The structural and functional unit of proteins is 6. The bond that links amino acids in proteins is 7. The primary source of energy in the cell is 8. DNA and RNA are polymers of 10. The sugar present in DNA is 11. The sugar present in RNA is 12. The nitrogenous base absent in RNA is 13. The nitrogenous base absent in DNA is 14. Which lipid is a major component of cell membranes? 15. Which element is present in proteins but absent in carbohydrates and lipids? 16. The polysaccharide present in plant cell walls is 17. Which of the following is a disaccharide? 18. The bond between two monosaccharides is 19. Which vitamin is water soluble? 20. The energy value of carbohydrates is 21. The energy value of lipids is 22. Which element is part of chlorophyll? 23. Which protein is found in hair and nails? 24. Which protein helps in blood clotting?